Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the months of the year. Today it's a pleasure for me to talk about the months of the year. Let's take a look at together. The title is Months of the Year. Months of the Year. Pour poser question, on dit how many months are there in a year? Comment? How many months are there in a year? Pour répondre, there are 12 months in a year. Comment? There are 12 months in a year. Subjects tels que January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Repeat again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. On va traduire pour nous. On allait. January, janvier. February, février. March, mars. April, avril. May, mai. June, juin. July, juillet. August, août. September, septembre. October, octobre. November, novembre. December, décembre. Nous avons avec nous quelques exemples, si vous avez demandé nous dans quel mois que nous faisons. OK? On allait. What month were you born? What month were you born? Pour répondre, on dit I was born in February. Si vous faites en février. Si vous faites en février ou faites en avril, on dit I was born in April. Si vous faites en avril ou faites en août, on dit I was born in August. D'une autre façon, nous allons répondre encore. C'est comment? I was born February 4 in 1985. I was born February 4 in 1985. En fait, 4 février 1985. On nous faut dernier répéter. Months of the year. Months of the year. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Subjects: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you. C'était une très bonne leçon. Nous souhaitons que nous pratiquions, mettez en pratique pour nous connaître moyen en anglais. Thank you for watching.